This is Dr. Steve with Rockwall CPR, and what a save. What has happened just in the last couple of days? Here's one title. He could have died in a bowling alley, but a radiology tech did CPR. It was my 10th frame and I threw a strike. I suddenly felt lightheaded and went to sit down. The next thing I know, I woke up and I was in the hospital. Saved by a rad tech who knew CPR. Public safety officer. While running, he noticed somebody that collapsed. I checked the subject. He was breathing intermittently at first, and then he stopped. I started chest compressions and executed approximately 40 compressions, and then the subject came back to us. What a save. Great job. And here's a heart wrenching story. 2-year-old saved near drowning incident. A 2-year-old. So what happened? The father was talking with his son just minutes prior. Without hesitation, the father jumped into the pool to pull his son out, where both the father and mother began to administer CPR. Do you know CPR? Could you save your 2-year-old child? For crying out loud, get certified. Learn CPR today.